Never seen this guy before. Tonight, we're gonna draw the Ultra Instinct Imposter. As found on Unreal at Gaming. This was one of the rivals that Goku has fought with. He battled with this guy when he was a kid. And, well, after all this time, this guy had evolved and took on a new transformation. Basically, this guy can use Ultra Instinct. Here is the suit. Alexa, play Steal the Night.
Steal the Night.
Here's the arms. This Ultra Instinct Imposter first appeared after Oob fought against his unreincarnated counterpart, Kid Buu. Doesn't this guy have Goku's hair? Nah, guess not. Anyhow, that is how you draw the Ultra Instinct Imposter. Here's the energy that surrounds him. Anyhow, that's all for now. That's how you draw him. Looks like a clown. I like him. Anyway, I better sign off for now. After I add these, just a reminder that Ultra Instinct's a real thing. Anyway, there he is.